What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Kaspa. Anyways, today we're about to do exactly what we do every day. We check on the markets, see how the market has been performing. We're gonna look at our positions, okay? See how the positions are doing. Follow along, compare. I will show you mine as always, as that is part of this channel. On this my millionaire journey, we are always transparent. Okay, we show you how the positions are doing. I will give you my thought on the markets, and we go from there. But before we do all that, you need to realize one thing, guys. The last drop of blood, okay? Because like everybody sees red. I told you guys, what we do different from everybody in this my millionaire journey is that when everybody sees red, we see opportunity. Okay? Summer has always been red in every crypto cycle, the few that has been in existence. We have always seen summer being red. Like that's why you have it, like you see August usually be the last month. But those of us who are smart enough usually get in our position, start getting everything else before August. That's why I usually say, now is the time you have to start piling on those coins. You have to be smart enough. Excuse me. You need to be smart enough. Smart enough in choosing the coins that really are going to be moving, and which are going to make you that money. That's why I choose Kaspa, because Kaspa has a lot of potential. I choose Quant because Quant is the future of this finance world. You talk about banks, okay? That's now you know exactly what we're talking about. I choose Jasmine because of his narrative. Okay, we all know. Excuse me. We all know that AI, okay, AI is going to do a lot, way lot better than a lot of coins. That's why I choose it. Sorry for the noise. It's raining outside, and I'm sitting in my car right now. But anyways, we chose that. So you need to be smart about this. The last drop of blood, okay, is almost over. Okay, we're about to see money, the amount of money that people are about to make, guys. You have never seen it before. But it depends on when you make your move. If you make your move right now, or are you going to wait? Oh, I need for this to confirm. I need for that to do this. I need for that to do the other one. That is just a bias. Guys, the market makers is just a bias. Like I told you, you enter a position. It's not financial advice, but this is exactly what I am doing, or how I started my positions. I entered it and I scaled it up. I scaled it up that way. My liquidation point is so low that even when the market swings, it will never trigger my liquidation or my leverage. On my spot, regardless of what the market is doing, I am buying my coins on the spot, because I know like sooner or later it's going to catch up. My average is going to be so low. And being a guy that takes a lot of risk, that is why when I see an asset and I study it, I go research it, and I like it, I usually get in head first. That's how I was able to buy Kaspa at 2 zeros and a 2, less than a penny, 0.00. I think it was 2 zeros and something. I don't remember, but I will show you guys. I think I showed you in one of my videos. I did. You will see it. Okay, you will see it. That's how I was able to buy Kaspa. And I was able to make, I was able to park, oh, excuse me, go here. I was able to be a shark with less money than you even think, you can't even imagine. If you think you're right, okay, go in the comments below and tell me how much you think I invested in Kaspa. Let's see if you're right. And then we will just see who was closer out, because I usually read all your comments anyways. But the whole point of all this is like, you really have to start getting into your positions right now. That's what I'm trying to tell you. All this that is happening, I think it's pre-planned. It's all pre-planned, and they are pre-planned, and they already know how they're going to, manipulate the outcome. Okay, it's not coincidence. Or all these attacks on the FTA, these attacks on the Uniswap, attacks on XRP, it's not coincidence. They already know what they're doing. We can't control them. All you can do is try to make the most opportunity out of whatever situation they are creating. For example, I told you guys about the Ethereum ETFs. You all remember? I told you it was the beginning of the end of Ethereum. Do not go into a long position because the price was going to crash. That's what they're doing. They are going to try to lower the price of Ethereum. Then they will start now manipulating Ethereum however they want, because proof of stake coins are very easy to manipulate when you have the money. And that's what the ETF is going to do. After this run, you will see. You will see. After this bull run, you will see. Because I'm telling you guys, kaspa is coming in hard. And kaspa is not coming to compete. kaspa is coming to take over. Once they launch the smart contracts, you will understand very, very clearly what I am talking about. So use this opportunity. This is the last drops, guys. Let's just say it's a blood on the streets. Yeah. But this, guys, this is the last. You are at the end of the bloodbath. That is why I am smiling. I look at my positions, then I smile. I'm like, yeah, it's there. Round 3, money. Y'all remember how I usually say it, right? That's exactly, okay? That's exactly what's happening. But anyways, now let's go check out the market right quick. Let's look at the crypto bubbles, see how we are doing on that. I go here. Let's look at a crypto bubble. See that for the past hour, everything is been like jumping up and down. People don't know what to do. Should we sell? Should we buy? People don't know. Like, if you don't make up your mind, you are going to get trapped into this. Look at the last day. The same thing. Now, let's go look at the coins that we are dealing on this My Millionaire journey. We're going to start with the king, kaspa. KAS. There you go. It is funny. Like, you see these things and you begin to scratch your hand like, ooh, I see money. Look at that. For the past hour, kaspa is down 0.3%, 2.6% down on the day, 2% down on the week. But now look at the higher time frames. On the month, kaspa still up 11.7% and 361% up on the year. Okay, now look at quant. Quant is another one I'm telling you guys you gotta pay attention to. So quant, look at quant. Okay, on the past hour, we have quant down 0.3%, 3.1% down on the day, 6% down on the week, 7.4% down on the month, and 31% down on the year. So again, the number went up again because people again are getting fearful and they are still dumping their coins that they are supposed to be holding. Again, you can't control people's feeling, but those of you who know, you know. But anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine. Jasmine, JAS. Look at that. Again, people still dumping, being afraid, and you're about to see how these prices are about to reverse on them, and people will start buying again instead of holding their position. We have 0.7% down on the hour, 9.7% down on the day. Wow. 8.7% down on the week, 16.4% down on the month, but on the year we are still up 578%, which is also a good thing. Now, there is something, let's go here. There is something I want to show you guys. Okay, you see all these prices dropping and money leaving the market, this and that happening, but something that quite does not add up, which is the fear and greed index. Okay, with all this happening, the fear and greed should be all the way down to probably the 40s on 30s. But look at this. Let me show you this. Look at that. That is the fear and greed index right now. Fear and greed at 68. So something is not adding up. If people were so afraid and they were dumping their coins, as we just saw, why is the fear and greed index still green? Did you understand what I'm trying to tell you guys? Market manipulation happens. Okay, only people who don't see it on the greater scale are going to lose their money. So as you can see right now, the market still looks good at a 68 fear and greed, which is 68 is a greed. So why is the market looking red? That's what I'm telling you guys. I've been showing you guys even the liquidation maps. If you look at a liquidation, there is a much more money, like $4 billion if Bitcoin crosses $73,000. So why are people dumping? Like I said, you do not pay attention to those things. Like you can see, if you have glass notes, you will be getting these alarms. You'll be getting these alarms. See that? 7,000 Ethereum transfer from Coinbase to wallet, or 14,000 Ethereum transfer from a known wallet to this and that. And people see these transfers, okay? Once people start to see these transfers, they get fearful, thinking like, oh, the market is about to crash, and they start to sell. Yeah. And they start to sell. And once they start to sell, this chain reaction happens and market starts to bleed. But if you're strong-minded, this is the time that you and me, of course me, I scale up my positions and I start to pick up on those coins like Quant. I pick up more Quant on my short-term wallet. I pick up more kaspa, and I pick up more Jasmine. Things like that. You start to look at Aerodrome. Start picking up more Aerodrome. Start picking up more Terra Luna Classic. You start picking up those coins, because I'm telling you, by the end of this month, or probably by the second week of August, you're about to see monumental money being made. Anyways, let's go to TradingView right quick. Let me show you something. TradingView, that we can look at the prices in more details. This is TradingView. Look at that. Everything, oh my God, everything is going down except for the US dollar, of course. Well, we know how that one works. But anyways, let's go look at the charts. Here we are looking at Quant, but first I like to start with kaspa. Kaspa is the king. You always treat the king with a lot of respect. So kaspa, there you go. Kaspa on the 1 hour, we are still following the same trajectory. Nothing changed. We are still inside this triangle. Okay, if you pull up my arrow, nothing changed. We're still the same, just like yesterday. I told you we have this upwards support, which kaspa in the few hours probably is going to come back, touch it, and then bounce from there, try to go up or try to break above this first line of Fibonacci. So nothing changed. It's still the same as yesterday, and that should tell you price is just moving sideways. We are not going anywhere. So if I go on the 4 hour, you can even see it clearer, much more clearer. You see price going sideways. It's not dumping. It's not doing nothing out of the ordinary. Okay, it's here, up, then down. Here it's about to touch this. First thing you're going to know it, and you're going to see it start to go up. The ribbon still green, and the moving average, look at it, moving average 200 is still pointing upwards. So yeah, we good. We are very good. So those of you selling your kaspa right now, I don't know what to tell you. Seriously, I don't. When you go on the daily, let me go on the daily. Let me zoom out a little bit. See, the same thing. Look at the moving ribbon, still pointing upwards. Look at the moving average, still going upwards, and price is just going sideways. Sideways, forming higher highs and lower highs. I'm sorry, it's forming lower highs. Look at right there. Lower highs, lower highs. That shows you this price. We're about to probably touch this resistance. Go try the top of the triangle at 18.5 to 18.7. That's what I'm telling you guys. This thing is about to blow. So if you think you're about to go lower and you're about to lose your money, I don't know what to tell you guys. I don't know what to tell you. For me, I see an opportunity, and we're going to capitalize on it. Now let's go on to Quant. QNT. That's what a lot of people have even more fears on when they look at quant. Quant, I told you guys, quant is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's not doing nothing out of the ordinary. Okay, we had a slope resistance that keeps suppressing the price. Okay, let me put my stuff right here. You see this resistance? We had it since March. We had it since March. We tried breaking above of it, got rejected. Okay, if I go backwards, see, all the way since March, every time kaspa tried to break above it, okay, price get rejected. We try to break above it, price got rejected. Look at that. And finally quant, oh, come on, finally quant broke above it. It's normal what is happening. I usually tell you guys, price will not run up in a straight line. Okay, price will break above, come back, retest it as support. And that's exactly what quant is doing right now. And at the same time, we are forming the second shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder, or if you want to call it a W. Okay, you see that? That's the first leg of the W. The second leg of the W is getting formed, which means this thing going to come up, retest this resistance at $80. Okay, the target is still the same up here, $94, $95. Guys, you do not want to miss on that. This is what's happening. It's very, very bullish. So if I drop it on the one and on the 4 hourly, look at that. Price came down exactly, retesting the support. So right now we're about to start going back up. Guys, do not panic. Do not panic sell, because if you do that, you'll be among those that come back and buy it at higher prices. If you have a leverage position, scale it up. That way it will drop your liquidation price even lower than what it is right now. If you look at it on the 1 hour, come on the 1 hour, see, 1 hour tells you even more in much more details. As you can see, price is trying to go up, forming them W's, trying to go up. And then look at the ribbon. First it was falling down, now we started to curve. The ribbon started to curve. So guys, I think quant is about to start to reverse again, because this $70 support has always held the price. So we have a lot more higher probability to go upwards. Okay, upwards. So now let's look at Jasmy. Look at Jasmy, JASMY, on Binance. There you go. On the hourly, let me zoom out here. On the hourly, this is what has a lot of people even crying even more, because like, oh, they thought about, oh, Jasmine is going back to 1 cent. And I've been saying it over and over and over again. Jasmine is not going lower. Guys, this is a fake out. You are going to get trapped. You will get trapped. See what happened here? Let me go here. I'll try to zoom in a little bit. Look, again, this line has been here since February. See what happened? Price broke down, got right back up, broke down, got right back up, broke down, and again above it. It's the same thing happening here. It's going to break down. You're about to see it go right back up again and probably take off from there, or break down again and do the same thing, the same movement you're looking at here, right here. That is what is most likely to happen on the Jasmine price. Now if you look at it on the daily, see, on the daily, let me zoom out a little bit and move this right here. Those of you who are getting afraid, look at on the daily. Price went below and it got bought right back up to above the support line. See, the ribbon has turned green already. It was red, now it has turned green. Look at the moving average, it's going up. Guys, this thing is burning the last fumes of bearish movement that it had on it. That's why I'm not afraid of it. I'm telling you guys, the target for this, all this thing you're looking at right here, the target is 5 cents. We got to pass 5 cents to meet the ultimate target of the bull flag, which is at 10 cents. So yeah, again, let me go back. You can use this, okay, to 5x, 10x, or even 20x your money. Do not do leverage trading if you don't have experience, if you don't know what you're doing, okay? But if you do and you're confident enough, again, as always, I do have my Phemex and Bydfi links below. You can use those, sign up, start trading, and once you start trading, you will make a lot of money. You start making your money, you can take off whatever money that you put in and start trading with the house money. Grow it up, okay? I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to tell you guys. That is exactly how I started. You can do that and start to grow up that account. But anyways, now let's go look at my positions. You can follow along. You can compare with your positions to see how good they're doing or how bad they're doing. So first of all, let's try with Bydfi, which are my long-term trades. Bydfi right here. Okay, come on, load up Bydfi. So as you can see, my overall, again, like I told you guys, is just going sideways due to the red summer. Today we are down $24,000 to 24,200. That's how low we are. But don't worry about it. Like I told you, this thing will be a six-figure trading account very soon. Looking at my contracts, okay, looking at quant at $70 or $69, $70. But here you can see right now my Jasmine, I am still up 42%, which is 1,300 right there. And then you look at my quant, oh excuse me, yeah, you see right here. And then you look at my quant, I am still up 17%, which is $800 right there. Now you go look at my King Kaspa. These are, like I told you, I'm gonna turn them into six figures. That's what we're waiting for. Look at King Kaspa, I am still up 71%, which is amounting to $5,800 right there. So I am still very happy with my positions. Okay, I'm not closing them. All I do is like scale them up and making sure that my liquidation doesn't hit. Like I told you guys, I don't think it will, because my liquidation on Kaspa, okay, if you look at my liquidation on Kaspa, it's at 3 cents. I don't think Kaspa is going down to 3 cents. Look at my liquidation on Quant, it's at $33. I don't think Quant is dropping to 33. The same thing when you look at my liquidation for Jasmine, it's down to less than a penny, 0.007. I don't think Jasmine is dropping to that. So what happens, because I scaled up my positions, okay? I scaled up, like for example, look at my positions for Jasmine. I scaled it up to 3,200, okay? You look at my position for Quant, I scaled it up to 4,700. There you go. You look at my position for Kaspa, my Kaspa, I scaled it up to 8,200 right there, making sure that they don't get liquidated, because like I'm telling you, each of these positions I'm trying to make it up to six figures. But anyways, now let's go back to my short-term account, which is on Phemex. Okay, let me sign in. As you can see, this one, yeah, a lot of people would think, yeah, it's still bleeding, because I was up $11,000, but on the overall, I am down 8,600. That's how low we are. Again, I'm not worried about it. I've already showed you guys a number of times what are my take profits areas, okay, which is, like I'm telling you guys, Jasmine, 5 cents. You got to look at 5 cents. After 5 cents, then you got to look at 10 cents. After 10 cents, you got to look at 15 cents. Then you got to look at the ultimate, which I'm telling you guys for sure I am going to take a lot of profit, is 20 cents. So now on my contracts, you can see here my contracts are still doing pretty good. Again, I'm not worried about those. Jasmine, I am still up 88%, which is 1,600. On Kaspa, I am still up 12%, which is $550. So everything here is moving according to the plan. Everything here is moving according to what we want to see. So let's go back here. Let's go back here. So that is us right now. Nobody likes to see red. Of course, nobody likes to see the market bleeding, of course. But there are opportunities, guys. There are opportunities. The market is not going to go up in a straight line. It's not going to happen. There are going to be hiccups here. There are going to be downs and left and rights, or whatever you want to call them. But they are going to happen slowly. It is all planned. We have the FMOC meeting coming up. We already know they are going to cut rates. Even if they don't cut the rates and they keep them in the same point that they have in last week or last time they did it, the crypto market is going to run. Guys, do not get left behind. Okay, so that's it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, share this video so that people like you and I, like with millionaire minds who wants to go from zero to millionaire status, we can grow. They can see this, and YouTube always puts the video as in front of more people. If you keep sharing, please comment. I read all your comments. I like to know your opinions, what you think about these particular subjects. Okay, please comment and turn on your notification bells. That way, whenever I drop a new video, you will see it right away. Again, thank you very much for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Please take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.